16x upscaled image. Click on 16x button and do same process as mentioned in tutorial 1. Check console for details like number of tiles. Finally, we have our 16 times upscaled image. Try zooming in for comparing original and upscaled image. You can easily see the difference between original image and 16x upscaled image. Let's compare images more accurately in MS Paint. See the difference. Wow! You have successfully completed the tutorial. Enjoy Adima version 1.2.0. In next video we will discuss some issues and solutions.